Hello, this is Windows 11 and in this video I want to show you how you can change your local IP address. You can go to Network and Internet Settings by right-click on your network, and from here you can find your adapter. For example, I go to my Wi-Fi adapter and use your Wi-Fi properties. Okay. In here you can see your IP. For example, this is my IP address and I want to change it. I can go to IP assignment. It's automatic by the HTTP server. I can use edit and put it on manual. For example, IP version 4 and enter my new address. Okay. You can use your subnet mask by your IP class address. Use gateway or DNS if you need, for example, use a DNS server. Or if you need to change your IP version 6 address, you can enable it. Okay, I will save my configuration and this is my new IP address. Another way you can use to change your IP address and you have used in previous versions of Windows operating system is going to control panel and from network and sharing center you can choose your network adapter from here, or if you need to see all of your network adapters from here, or you need to change to see your all of network adapters uh, from this list. You can choose, for example, one of your adapters, go to properties. In this Wi-Fi properties window we can see IP version 4 and IP version 6. Okay, I go to IP version 4 and double click on this and you can choose from automatically IP address. This will help your system to get an IP from the HTTP server, or you can manually enter your IP address. You can use gateway if you need, and you can enter your DNS server. Okay. And if you click OK, you can change your IP address. This is my new IP address. Thanks for watching this video.